In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a Zoho Books invoice custom template. To get started, open your Zoho Books account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is where you'll be able to access the settings needed to change the appearance of your invoices. If you're already signed in, you can go straight to the next step. Once you're inside Zoho Books, look toward the top area of the screen and click the gear icon. This will open your settings menu, where many of the account customization options are located. The gear icon is the place you'll usually visit whenever you want to adjust layouts, preferences, or templates. From the settings area, click on PDF Templates. This section allows you to control how your documents look when they are generated or shared. Since invoices are one of the most commonly used documents in Zoho Books, this is where you can make them look more professional and better aligned with your brand. After that, click on Invoices. This will open the available invoice templates that you can work with. At this stage, you can either edit an existing template or create your own, depending on what you need. If you already have a template that's close to what you want, editing it can save time. If you want a completely unique design, creating your own may be the better option. When you open the template editor, feel free to customize everything based on your preferences. You can adjust fonts and font sizes to improve readability and match your brand style. You can also change the background image if you want to add a more polished visual touch. In addition, you can edit the header and footer, which is useful for placing company details, notes, or extra information in a clean and organized way. Take your time in this section, because the invoice template affects how your business documents are presented to clients. A clean, easy-to-read design usually works best. Make sure the most important details stand out clearly, and try not to overcrowd the page with too many design elements. The goal is to create something that looks professional while still being practical. Once you're happy with the design and all your changes are complete, click Save. That will apply your customized invoice template so you can start using it in Zoho Books. And that's it. You've successfully designed a custom invoice template in Zoho Books.